Hi, I want to give ECOS paints an excellent review. I absolutely love using their stains. I have a workshop space where we do stencils on wood and staining them as well. Also doing small woodworking projects like coat hooks or farmhouse style benches. And I love using the stains. We usually have a group of maybe like 15 women mostly in my space. The fact that I don't have to worry about the smell or the stain getting on someone's hands because they can easily be washed with warm water and soap is amazing. These are some of the projects that we've done here in my workshop. The coat hooks in back, this farmhouse bench, the top was also stained with ECOS paint. All of these boards here were also stained with ECOS paint. So like I said, I have a variety of stains. I absolutely love them all. A lot of our furniture here was also stained with ECOS stain. Absolutely love that. The stain. Our cart here we made in the workshop as well, and we also stained it. So I absolutely love it, and I will keep using it, and I'm so excited, and I'm really excited to keep trying all the different stains.